Welcome to 68 Seascape Circle. Hey there, I'm your host, Luke Newcomer with the Newcomer Group, where exceeding your expectation is our standard. And today I'm giving you an exclusive private property tour. We're starting on the top deck, expansive ocean views. A couple highlights before we dive into this property tour. 3,600 square feet, pool home, private beach access for the community, over 3,600 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, big 3-car garage, and an in-law suite. I want to show you everything this home has to offer because it is one of a kind and nothing you're going to find on Anastasia Island, let alone on the east side of A1A. All right, we're now on the first floor, obviously, of 68 Seascape Circle. I want to show this home to you the way you're probably going to live in it. So on the first floor, you've got a 3-car garage, obviously the pool in the back. This first floor is actually where the in-law suite is going to be. We're going to end at the in-law suite and then right at the pool afterwards. So for now, we're going to go in as if you had parked your car and you're running up the stairs to head on inside. All of the bedrooms, which we're going to start at next, are on this second floor, and then it's all 3rd floor up top living. Let's go check it out. All right, welcome inside to 68 Seascape. As I said before, all the bedrooms are on the 2nd floor, which is kind of like 2nd, 3rd floor living. You've got laundry right off to the right here. You've got 2 separate bedrooms here. Every room in this house actually has a porch. You've got a full bathroom, and then we're gonna go straight back in. This is what I would consider the master. It's really expansive. You've got 2 separate porch access points, big ensuite. You've got a big walk-in closet. You've got this massive, massive ensuite, toilet, double vanity sink. You've got a gorgeous walk-in shower with 2 shower heads on it. You can walk into this bedroom and there's some nice functionality with it. Every single bedroom has great closet space. You've got this, I think this staircase is somewhat of a statement. Right here, you've got an elevator. You can enter in through the garage. It takes you to the 2nd and the 3rd floor. Gotta love a private elevator in the house. Let's go check out the 3rd floor next. We're now on the 3rd floor. I love all of this open living. I mean, this is where you're truly gonna be spending most of your time. You've got the fireplace, kitchen, dining, living. It all blends perfectly together. You've got hints and views of the Atlantic Ocean. Love this kitchen, custom backsplash, beautiful granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, nice walk-in pantry. And then over here, you've got a 2nd living room. Turn in maybe the movie room, a nice study. I think it's set up perfectly. There's also a half bath on this floor, which you can get a clip of. If you leave through these sliders, which all open up the entire way, that spiral staircase is where we started this video. Morning coffee, evening cocktails. I'd be spending a lot of time up there. We're gonna come back into the main living area. One of my favorite features is this Florida sunroom. It's a great outdoor space. I love all the outdoor living in this property. Okay, so now you've seen the 4 bedrooms, the main living area, you've seen the rooftop deck. I wanna show you the in-law suite, and then we're gonna end at my favorite part of the house, the pool. Let's go. I decided to take the elevator, a lot of stairs in this house. Now we're gonna go into the in-law suite. What I like about the in-law suite is you can access it from the garage, or you can access it from the side. It creates complete separation when you've got family staying, friends visiting, and it's totally functional. You got beautiful tile throughout. We walk right into the kitchen, little dining setup here. Behind us is a utility closet. You come down the hallway, you've got a full bathroom, and then you've got this open living concept where you can put a bed, a TV, and a couch. This space is perfect. So if you wanted to come in through the side of the house, you could use this easy access through the door. And then obviously you've got direct access from this room to the best place of the house, which is the pool. Let's go check it out. We're wrapping this tour up properly by the pool, amazing outdoor space. I envision myself with a cocktail, a couple lounge chairs out here, splashing in the pool on a hot summer day. You guys, fully fenced in back here. You're 1 house back from the beach. You've got private beach access. The address is 68 Seascape Circle, 3,600 square feet, 3-car garage, in-law suite, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. Do you want me to keep going, or do you just want to come look at the house today? Contact my team. My name is Luke Newcomer with the Newcomer Group. We're exceeding your expectation as our standard. We really appreciate you hanging in for this private property tour. Thanks.